How much should you actually spend on a modular helmet for touring? Because people are happy buying the cheap ones but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting. Product number 1, Helmolkin Modular Helmet. First up is the Helmolkin Modular Motorcycle Helmet, priced at just $69.99. What caught my attention was its sleek design combined with impressive safety features. If you want a helmet that balances affordability with serious protection, this is worth a serious look. This helmet meets DOT safety standards, which means it's built tough for whatever adventure you throw at it. The flip-up mechanism is super convenient, allowing you to easily switch between full coverage and open mode. This is really great for city riding or those long-distance tour when you need to catch a breath. Plus, the strategically placed vents keep you cool, reducing heat buildup on warm days, which is essential for comfort during long rides. Over 281 reviews give it a solid rating of 4.5 stars, so it seems like a popular choice among riders. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Whether you're commuting or touring, you need a helmet that protects while offering ventilation. Now, some people complained about its weight, saying it feels a bit hefty after extended wear. Here's the thing though, for the price and protection it offers, many riders find it a fair trade-off. If you're budget conscious but still want quality, this helmet is perfect for you. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an affordable yet safe helmet. Skip this one if you prioritize lightweight designs over safety. Overall, it offers great value for the price. Now, if the weight of the Helmolkin bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, YEMA Modular Helmet. Next up is the YEMA Modular Motorcycle Helmet, coming in at $89.99. What grabbed my attention was its dual visor system. If you want a helmet that gives you flexibility and comfort, this is definitely one to consider. This helmet also has DOT certification, meaning it's built to last and keep you safe. The dual lens design allows you to switch between a clear outer shield and a smoked inner lens, which is excellent for bright conditions. The fully adjustable vents keep you cool, ensuring airflow while blocking out wind noise, which can be a lifesaver on long rides. With 1,800 reviews and a 4.4-star rating, it's clear that many riders appreciate its features. Here's why this matters for you. If you're doing long tour, having that flexibility with the visor can help adapt to changing light conditions. Now, some riders mentioned concerns about the padding being a bit too stiff initially. But here's the thing, it breaks in over time, and many have found it comfortable after a few rides. If you're someone who values comfort and versatility, this helmet is a solid choice. This is perfect for you if you want a helmet that adapts to various conditions. Skip this one if you prefer a helmet that feels plush right out of the box. It's a good value for what you get. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for long-distance comfort. Product number 3, Helmolkin Black-Red Helmet. The third option is another Helmolkin Modular Motorcycle Helmet, this time in a striking black and red design, priced at $74.99. If you want something that looks stylish while also being functional, this is worth your attention. Like the previous Helmolkin model, it's DOT certified, so you know it meets safety standards. The helmet boasts excellent airflow thanks to its strategically placed vents, keeping you comfortable during your rides. With the same rating of 4.5 stars from 281 reviews, it's clear that this model has fans too. Here's why this matters for you. A helmet that keeps you cool and offers easy switching from full face to open is a must for touring. However, some users noted that the sizing can be a little off, leading to a snug fit for some. Here's the thing, if you take the time to measure your head accurately, you should be fine. If you're looking for an affordable helmet that also has a great aesthetic, this one's for you. This is perfect for you if you appreciate style without sacrificing safety. Skip this one if you struggle with finding the right size. It offers solid value for a stylish helmet. Now, if that sizing concern worried you, wait until you hear about the next helmet that focuses on lightweight comfort. Product number 4, LEM Modular Helmet. Next up is the LEM Modular Motorcycle Helmet, which is available for $128.87. What really drew me in was its lightweight fiberglass construction. If you want something that won't weigh you down during those long rides, this is definitely a contender. This helmet also meets DOT standards, ensuring your safety. Weighing in at just 17 kg, it dramatically reduces neck strain over extended touring. The modular flip-up feature is fantastic for quick breaks and conversations without removing the helmet, adding convenience. Plus, the quick sun defense visor is a nice touch for those bright days. With a 4.5-star rating from 56 reviews, it's clear that it has a niche following. Here's why this matters. Comfort and safety are paramount on long journeys, and this helmet delivers on both fronts. However, some users found the interior liner less plush than expected. But honestly, for the weight and functionality, many riders still consider it a great fit. If lightweight comfort is what you're after, this helmet could be just the ticket. This is perfect for you if you want a lightweight option for long-distance touring. Skip this one if you prefer more padding in your helmet. It's a solid investment in comfort. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next helmet brings a slightly different flavor to modularity. Product number 5, Helmolkin White Helmet. Finally, we have another Helmolkin modular motorcycle helmet, this time in sleek white for $69.99. What caught my eye was its elegant design and safety features. If you need a reliable helmet that combines simplicity with protection, this is a great choice. Like the others, it meets DOT safety standards, ensuring peace of mind on the road. The helmet is equipped with strategically placed vents for airflow, which is crucial for keeping you comfortable on long rides. With a strong 4.5-star rating from 281 reviews, it's clearly a favorite. Here's why this matters. Having a helmet that offers easy adaptability and comfort will enhance your riding experience, especially on those long hauls. Some users have mentioned that the white color is prone to showing dirt easily. But honestly, a little maintenance goes a long way, and many riders love the clean look. If you want a reliable helmet without breaking the bank, this one's solid. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a dependable helmet at an affordable price. Skip this one if you're looking for something that stays pristine without effort. It's a great value for what you're getting. So to wrap it up, we've looked at the Helmolkin modular helmet, the versatile YEMA, the stylish Helmolkin black-red, the lightweight LEM, and rounded off with the dependable Helmolkin white. Each has its strengths depending on what you prioritize. Choose wisely based on your riding needs and enjoy the journey.